Hello guys, I am going to repair the car. Guys, I have repaired the car.
Gay!
Bebecita, lo de nosotros es un secreto que nadie se entere. Baby, yo siempre me vengo contigo cuando tú te vienes. Ante el mundo somos amigos y lo hacemos escondidos. Y yo solo en mi cama y yo ese testigo.
Lo de nosotros es un secreto, pero siempre nos vemos. Y todo el mundo habla de nosotros, pero siempre nos comemos. Y tú me hiciste enloquecer, yeah.
cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall, and if they laugh then fuck them all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you could take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there, name in the sky.
Ya. Ya. Ya.
Sun been down for days, a pretty flower in a vase, a slipper by the fireplace, a cello lying in its case. Soon she's down the stairs, her morning elegance she wears. The sound of water makes her dream, awoken by a cloud of steam. She pours a daydream in a cup, a spoon of sugar sweetens up, and she fights for her life as she puts on a coat, and she fights for her life on the train. She looks at the rain as it pours, and she fights for her life as she goes in a store with the thought she has caught by a thread. She pays for the bread and she goes. Nobody knows plays a winter melody. She plays the thunder, makes her contemplate. She hears a noise behind the gate, perhaps a letter with a dove, perhaps a stranger she could love. And she fights for her life as she puts on a coat, and she fights for her.
Help me, it's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. Laying on the bathroom floor, feeling nothing. I'm overwhelmed and insecure. Give me something I could take to ease my mind slowly. Just have a drink and you'll feel better. Just take her home and you'll feel better. Keep telling me that it gets better. Does it ever? Help me, it's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. I'm crawling in my skin.